Hello YouTube, my name is Manthan Dave and I am the application developer of my new application. Today I'd like to give a brief walkthrough through my application, Simple Finance Manager. I call it Simple Finance Manager because it makes your personal finance management real simple. This is an Android application available on Android Marketplace in two versions, free and paid. The free and paid version of the app are very similar. However, the paid app allows you to edit and delete your income or expense records. The paid app will also be having more improvements like importing or exporting your financial data to different formats. I'm currently working on it and I'll post an update as soon as possible. First, I'm gonna launch the application in my app tray. Now, as soon as you start the app, you'll have to enter a password. Now, since I've set up my own password, I'll enter it, and as soon as you click login, you'll be greeted at the home screen. Now with password protection, your data is safe. Enter correct password and you are greeted to the home screen. This is your dashboard. You can see this month's income, expense rate, and the income expense ratio. This ratio helps to keep an eye on the expenses. It is also convenient that you don't even have to look into your expenses in detail. You just look at the ratio and you'll get the whole overview of your financial position. If it's green, it means that your financial position is safe and sound. If it's yellow, it signifies some imbalance in your income expense. Red, in general, signifies trouble, and that means that you are spending more money than you should be. Now, in order to add a new income, you just tap on Add Income button, and instead of just filling records of information, here you have to fill only two records. One is income source, which is the source of income. For instance, you can say that some friend gave it to you, or you help someone. So for this particular instance, I'll just write down a sample income, like I don't know, bananas. So I like sold bananas. And I click next, and here I will enter how much money did I earn from that particular source of income. So for this instance, I'll write I don't know, £100. I don't know if anyone earns £100 from bananas, but so there is the income source and there's the income amount, and I click add and it says value saved, so done. To add an expense is same as adding an income. You just tap in the add expense, and I'll type in t-shirt, and £10. Add, and this says value saved. That means it is now saved. Now, if you want to view all your income, just tap on Manage Income, All Income, and these are the records of all income since I installed this application. Now, first record is on 31st of July 2011, which I got from my job. It was £75. On the same day, I mean, these were all test records I used to test my application. So, well, yeah, nothing to panic. So, yeah. Now, if you're having the premium version of this application, you can edit a record. For instance, I wrote here Apple, and it has record ID number 15. So in here, I just type in 15 and click next. In the actions, I've got edit and delete. If you're not a premium user, you will not get any of these. So since I'm having this walkthrough, I am having this premium version of application. So here I can delete this record or I can edit it. Now for this first time I'll choose to edit it, and this is the income source, this is the amount. Okay, let's say I got 400 instead of 25. Okay, no, let's not go that high, let's make it 250. Okay, done, and I click update and it's updated. If you see, this apple is now 50. Now, if if I want to get rid of record, for instance, I don't like this number 13 record, so just tap row ID. Just write 13. It's real simple. Just click on actions. Just click on delete. And are you sure? Of course I am. And it's gone from here. Now, similarly, if you want to review income for a particular month, you can just type manage income by month. Just type in the month number. For instance, I don't have much monthly records here, so I'll just do for July. So next, and I hear yeah, so 2011. This is, and next click continue, and these are the income records for 7th. July 2011. You got from a job, it's just 125. I'm so poor. So okay. Now let's go back to the home screen. Now, if you want to view income by your sources, for instance, I have my job as a source, so I can view income by my source. So I can just click on manage income, and click on income sources, and I can click here job. So I've got 3 income from my job, which is on 31st of July 2011, 31st blah blah blah, 7th August 2011. So in total, from this particular income source, I got £410. Now in here, what I can do is I can just add income from this source job, and I just have to type in and I just have to type in amount which I got. So this makes the whole process real simple. You don't even have to fill out all the forms like categories and stuff. Your income source is a category in itself, so you don't need anything else to define it. And if you're a premium user, you can edit or delete the records in here as well. You don't need to go to all the expense screen every time you want to do that. So okay, same is with the expenses. You can just click on manage expense by month, expense by item. So for instance, I spent a lot of money on my Veggie Delight. I just love it. So here are my 2 Veggie Delight records. I can add expense for this particular item, and I can edit or delete it if I'm a premium user. Let's go back for right now. You can view expense by month for a particular month. For instance, I want to view expense for last month, which was 7th 2011. So I don't have any expense records here, so it's blank right now. But if I replace this by 8 this month and go, so these are the records for August 2011, and in here as well I can edit and delete rows if I'm a premium user. So well, yeah, that's for it. And additional facility is for your own security. What you can do is you can go in preferences and you can reset the database if you think your application has got more than you need. I mean, if you have your old records messed up, and if you don't want to do all the hard stuff, what you can do is you can just reset the database anytime you want. But I highly recommend not to use this option. You can just go in the in this thing we call it in the settings and manage applications, and you can just select this application and clear data instead of using that one, because that one is real risky stuff. So other features of the preferences, other things which you can do in preferences is you can change a password. So my current password is right now something else, and if I want to change it to something else, I can just write my old password, my new password, and I can just confirm my new password. So yeah, that's it. And what I can do is I can edit the currency symbol which is being used in here. Since I'm in UK, I'm using the pound symbol, but by default the application has the dollar symbol for the US users, because I've got lots of US users right now. So, and if you're in any other country like India, you can type in RS to have RS as your currency symbol instead of using dollars as a symbol. Right, so well, this is the walkthrough of my application. There are two versions, free and paid. You can try out the free version if you are not willing to risk your money, because the free version has been made for that. The free version has been made to allow you to have a test drive of the whole application, so that you can experience the whole application yourself, and hence you can use the free version to do that anytime you want. And the free version doesn't include the editing capabilities, so if you're fine with that, you can use the free version for yourself. However, we do make mistakes sometimes, and it is better to have those capabilities than having a financial record of mistakes. So, well, I mean, I don't know what to say to you guys, but well, yeah, the paid version currently, as of 13th August 2011, is for it's for £1. So, well, I think it's £1, $1.62 in US. So yeah, hey, this is Manthan signing off, and if you have any troubles, if you have found any bugs in the application, kindly comment it in the app marketplace or in this YouTube video. If you find that the app is not useful, you can just rate it with the way you want. You can just you can rate to 5 stars if you like. If you think it's good, if you think it's not good, you can just rate 0 or 1 or anything you want. Just please give me the feedback so I know that I'm in the right direction. If you want to make me to have some improvements on it, just comment on the YouTube video, or you can comment on the marketplace. So yeah, so this is me signing off.